Hey everyone, welcome to Bombay Hair. I'm Sofia and today I'm going to show you how to use Bombay Hair's 3-in-1 interchangeable thermal brush. If you love salon blowout, this at-home tool is made for you. In this video, we'll cover all 3 brush heads, how to swap them safely, the ideal temperature for your hair, and the types of styles you can achieve with each attachment. Let's get started! Inside the box, you'll find 3 different sized brush heads, a 35mm brush, a 40mm brush, and a 48mm brush. You will also find a handle and a user manual. Each brush head is made with titanium barrels for smooth, shiny, and long-lasting results. If you end up purchasing Bombay Hair's Blowout bundle, you'll also find their Velcro hair rollers, rose gold styling clips, and a hair dryer brush. You can also choose to purchase a single brush attachment on its own. If you already have our 5-in-1 curling wand set, this brush attachment is also compatible with the handle from the 5-in-1 curling set. The handle has a power button, digital temperature display, and a rotating collar to lock in brush heads. Heat settings go from 230 Fahrenheit to 410 Fahrenheit, and it heats up quickly for efficient styling. Here's a general temperature guide based on your hair type. Always remember to start with the lowest effective temperature. Let's get into how to safely use the 3-in-1 thermal round brush and how to swap between brushes. We wanted to mention an important safety note when switching between brushes. Make sure you're always unplugging and letting it cool off completely before switching barrel heads. You can always purchase a heat-resistant glove when swapping between brushes even once it's cooled. Put the desired head in, turn and lock until you hear a click. To remove, turn to unlock until you hear a click, and gently pull it out. Once you have your brush locked in, you can choose your desired temperature setting and start styling. I'm going to show you what you can achieve with each barrel type. Regardless of the barrel size you're using, start with clean, fully dry hair. Section the hair into manageable sections. I'm using 1-inch sections for most of the barrels, but you can take bigger sections as the brush size increases or if you have naturally thin hair. Always use heat protectant before styling, and if you're new to the thermal brush, we highly recommend using a heat-resistant glove. Our smaller 35mm barrel is perfect for tighter curls and adding a root lift. Wrap small sections around the brush and glide through from roots to ends to remove any frizz. Repeat this step if needed for stubborn kinks, but avoid staying in one spot for too long. To start mimicking a blowout look, wrap a section of hair around the brush head away from the face. Hold that for 6 to 12 seconds, depending on the desired curl intensity and hair thickness. Glide down gently and let the curl cool before touching or brushing. You can also put the curl into a Velcro hair roller for a bigger bounce. This is the result from the 35mm barrel, and the smaller brush size allows for this tighter curl. The 40mm barrel creates soft curls and gentle blowout bend. Wrap 1-inch sections and hold for 8 to 10 seconds, and release for smooth, bouncy waves. To get that salon blowout look, you can also interchangeably curl towards and away from your face. Here is the result of the 40mm barrel. Our largest barrel, 48mm, is ideal for loose waves and big, voluminous blowouts. Work with larger sections, hold for 10 to 12 seconds, and then release for effortlessly full-bodied styles. For increased volume at my bangs, I like to add some Velcro rollers for a bigger and long-lasting bounce. When rolling hair, take a section of styled hair and make sure it's smooth and still hot. Place the roller at the end of the hair section, then roll towards the scalp. Make sure the hair is evenly wrapped around the roller and secure the roller with the styling clip so it stays in place. Leave rollers in for 10 to 30 minutes depending on your desired curl. Carefully unroll from the scalp outwards to avoid tangling. Finger comb or gently brush curls to shape, and optionally apply hairspray or texture spray to hold the style. Here is the before, and here is the bouncy, voluminous after results. And there you go, 3 versatile styles from our 3-in-1 thermal round brush. Thanks for watching our 3-in-1 thermal round brush demo. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments, subscribe, and shop the Bombay Hair 3-in-1 thermal round brush. Link in the description. See you next time!